For my sister still at the hospital, but we got a clearance from the neuro yesterday. She had what we call transient ischemic attack. So parang siyang mini stroke. Parang ganun yung term. So I hope na makalabas na siya today. Kahapon nag-2D echo na din siya, so we're just waiting. It's around 9 a.m. and just went out to get breakfast. I hope everybody would have a great day. Ayun lang, just quick life update. Mamaya papasok na ako sa work. So, magpo-breakfast lang ako. Thank you so much. I wish everybody would have a great day.